My name is Heather, and today we're going to be unboxing the Wacom One display tablet. I am so excited because recently I got an email from Wacom and they asked if I would want to add a Wacom tablet to my setup, and I was like, yes, of course. So they sent me this Wacom One display tablet as a gift, and I'm so excited to unbox it. So I thought it would be fun if we could do it together. If you don't know what a Wacom tablet is, well, they're basically the industry standard in drawing tablets, and there's two different versions. There's the one that's the display tablet where you can see what you're drawing on the tablet as you draw it. And then the other one where the tablet's black, you're just using the tablet to draw, but then what you're seeing is on your computer screen. Both of them hook up to the computer to draw. The cool thing about the Wacom tablets is that that's what they do. So it's going to be amazing, as opposed to like some other brands where they might make other stuff like phones and computers and all that. And the tablet is just one of their offerings. With this one, this is their specialty, and you know that it's like the best of the best. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the box it came in, and first I'm just going to open this up. Here's what's in the box. We got some good bubble wrap to keep it safe. All right, and here it is. It's so pretty. Even the box and the design is pretty. That's some very nice graphic design right there. As you can see, we have the tablet and the pen that it'll come with. And it says it's 13.3 inches across. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's a tight squeeze. Okay. Here's this box here. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh. We have a nice little fabric envelope here. Ooh, and here's the tablet. It's very pretty, and it's also very big. Here's the pen. He has a little sweater on to keep him warm as he is in his travels to my house. Very pretty. And this little middle thing comes out. And we have these cords. Pluggy guy. His little instruction manual. Baby pluggy. That's everything. So let's go ahead and hook it up. I have my MacBook Pro here. We are going to see how we're going to hook it up to the MacBook Pro. Here's our cables. We have this long guy and then the two shorter ones. It looks like the two shorter ones are going to go to the computer, and then out of the two long ones, the bigger guy is going to plug into the wall, and then the smaller guy is going to plug into the tablet. Let's grab the two shorter cables that are supposed to go to the computer, and one is a USB and the other is an HDMI. I'm probably going to need some converter cables because the MacBook Pro doesn't have USB ports anymore, and it definitely doesn't have HDMI. Here's my little USB converter guy. I can plug this in here, and then I can plug the USB into that. And the other one is the HDMI. I'm gonna have to go and find a converter guy and then come back in order to take care of this HDMI. So I'll be back. I got the other part from Best Buy, so now we can go ahead and open this up. It's the USB-C to HDMI adapter. Now we have this, and we can plug both of these short cables in. And then for the other two, one is the power. The other one is going to go to the tablet. So I'm going to put the little baby plug guy onto the big plug. And then I'll plug that in. We have a little plug right here that we can plug this guy into. Now I have everything working, and I'm just going to register my device, and then I can get the free software, which it comes with the Affinity software, so you'll be able to draw in vector for the Cricut or in raster for the Cricut, which means shading and basically what you would do in Procreate. So you can do those kind of things and make like stickers and prints and stuff. Both of those kinds of mediums will be available to you. I'm going to stand this up so it's easier to use. So he has these little legs on the back. So I'm going to pull those out. And that's a lot better. So now I'm going to register my device. Up here it says register your device for software offers. So I'm going to click on that. And it registered it. Wow, I didn't even have to do anything. Let's go to software offers, view offers. And here's Affinity Publisher, Affinity Designer. Oh, and there's all kinds of other stuff. Skillshare, that's exciting. I bet there's a lot of good classes for this on Skillshare. Whiteboarding, painting and illustration. Affinity Photo, so that's going to be the one that's like Photoshop or like Procreate. Clip Studio Paint Pro, and all these different education things. So that's exciting. I am going to get Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. I'm just going to try this out for a little bit, and later I will plan to do some tutorials on using Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo on the Wacom tablet for Cricut. For now, I just want to kind of do a test run, so I'm just going to create a new document and let's just see if we like it. Here's the pencil tool. And oh yeah, that draws really nice. And it really follows the tool really nicely. So it doesn't like change any of your lines. And also I really like that there aren't a ton of anchor points here. It really drives me nuts when the programs put like a ton of anchor points. So I really like that. Let's see if we can do some fun pressure things. So here's the vector brush tool. Let's go over to the options for the tool. Controller. Ooh, okay. Pressure. Ooh. So when I press harder, it actually gets thicker. So that's perfect. And if I press lightly, then it's thin. So this is exactly what we want because we have all the control when we're drawing. So this is amazing. I will have a lot of fun using this for vector art because it just draws so nicely. I've used a lot of different programs. Adobe Illustrator is really good, but it also is very pricey and it has that subscription service. So the nice thing about this is that you pay one time and you just have the program. And we got our pen tool in case you want to draw using the nodes. And then here's where we can move stuff around with our nodes. And this is nice because everything is just so easy. I just click on this, it shows the nodes, and I can just move the nodes around and modify them. And it all just feels really nice and easy. And we got our colors here. I'm really excited about this tool, and I think it's going to be great for vector drawing. It's going to be great for drawing for the Cricut. Definitely stay tuned because I will be making tutorials on how to use this for your Cricut. And huge thanks to Wacom for sending me this gift. I really appreciate it, and I think it is so cool that they sent me this. If you have any questions, as always, let me know in the comments. And if you have any requests on what you would like me to teach tutorials on for the Wacom tablet, then let me know that as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. And hopefully I'll see you soon in some of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.